Hey kids, James here, and this is a door lock combo. We have the knob and then the deadbolts. The knob, this one has a keyhole, and this deadbolt has a keyhole. This is a single cylinder deadbolt because there's not another deadbolt on this side. Deadbolts are stronger than knocks because they have this thicker locking mechanism versus this one that slides and clicks into the door jamb. The lock works with this key. The key has 5 different valleys, and when the key goes in, inside the cylinder are 5 pins. When the pins are adjusted to the right heights, the lock can open. It latches.